Can you tell me about implant reconstructions?
Typically, it involves putting an implant underneath the chest wall muscle which lies underneath the mastectomy skin. And we usually try to avoid putting in additional scars, so we would use the existing mastectomy scar. Sometimes it is not possible to do an implant reconstruction in one stage, and we sometimes need to stretch the skin and muscle using an expander and then replace the expander with a definitive implant. So what we can imagine is the normal breast on one side, and on the opposite side we have a mastectomy scar. And underneath the mastectomy scar we have chest wall muscle. And when we go to do the implant reconstruction, we open the mastectomy scar and we place the implant underneath the muscle. Sometimes it is not possible to do this in one stage, so sometimes we have to put an expander in first. And these expanders will have a little valve built into the implant that allow us to inject salt water into the implant after surgery so as to stretch the implant up and stretch up the skin and muscle overlying the expander. And when we have enough skin and muscle stretched up, we will then replace that expander with a definitive implant. And that involves another operation in which the expander is removed and is replaced with a definitive implant.